everyone, welcome to our March Take and Make video for Blackstone Teen Services. This is our first Take and Make video for the spring season, and I'm so glad you guys are joining us today. I know the winter was really difficult for you guys because, well, it was difficult for all of us. Quarantine during the winter months was a lot harder. There wasn't as much to do, and I think we're all really excited to get outside, to explore nature, to get a little fresh air. And that's why this month we wanted to give you guys a take and make project that would encourage you to get outside, maybe with your family, and explore nature and some of the trails we have in the area. So this month we're making trail mix travel bites, which are a tasty snack that's full of healthy ingredients that you guys can take with you on the trail. For our take and make video this month, the only things you are going to need to bring with you are a mixing bowl, a plate, and a spoon. We're going to start with half a cup of oats, and now into that we're going to add a 1/4 cup each of shredded unsweetened coconut, sunflower seeds, dried cranberries, peanuts, and chocolate chips. To give it a little extra crunch, we're also going to add 1/8 cup of walnuts. The next thing we need to do is add in the liquid ingredients that will help to hold all of this together. So in your kit you'll find 2 to-go cups of peanut butter. Altogether that's about 3/8 cup of peanut butter, or 6 tablespoons. You'll also find 1/8 cup or 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. The peanut butter and the maple syrup are going to help to hold all of these seeds and healthy bits together. Now's the fun part where we turn the mush into actual little travel bite-sized bits, which means getting your hands dirty. And that's it. So now you've seen how we roll a bunch of individual ingredients into travel trail mix bites, but they're not finished yet. You need to take that whole plate of trail mix bites and put them in the freezer for about an hour. After your trail mix bites have had a chance to set in the freezer, they'll firm up into travel-sized snacks that you can bring with you on the road. They're a pretty good snack. I hope I see you guys again next month. Bye-bye.